You know what, this team today, the first time I've watched them and thought they could push City. I've seen them a few times this season. I thought they weren't firing on all cylinders. Now, every single player looks like they know their duty, they know their job, and they're working at minimum 8 out of 10. It was a really, really solid all-round performance that will only breed confidence throughout this whole place.
If you're City, Joel, how worried should you be about this Liverpool side?
I think, well, listen, City will take care of business, that's for sure. I think the wonderful thing with both of these clubs, Man City and Liverpool, one thing that strikes me is that Liverpool have won this Liverpool team under Jurgen Klopp won one Premier League title. That shows you how good Man City have been, because that team tonight is as good as anything I've seen in a long, long time. Like, in every department, they was top draw. Man City I wouldn't say they'd be worried, but they'll know this would be the hardest league that they'll have to win in the last 7 or 8 years.
Robbie, do you think he can sign off with a second league title, Jurgen Klopp?
I think from a Liverpool point of view, I think that would be perfection. I think they've been unlucky over the years in terms of what they've had to do to try and get near Manchester City. But I mean, I agree with the guys here. I think Manchester City are like I think they're the pinnacle of where teams really need to be. I think Liverpool will push them, and it will be very, very close. But you know, I don't think City are worried just yet.
The fourth goal for Liverpool came through Diazs. Nunez, though, got the assist for this one. He'll try as he might, though, he did not get his own goal tonight.
Yeah, but even this goal, though, the fans weren't even singing Diaz's name. The fans are singing Nunez's name, because I think they sympathise with the little bit of lack of luck he's had in front of goal, maybe, or just poor finishing at times. But he's a handful, no doubt. Diazz closes off the back post, which all wide players and good ones that want to score goals do. Diazz switches off and he punishes him. But Nunez today, I thought, listen, he'd done everything but score a goal. He will be a nightmare for centre-backs to play against, whether he scores or not. He runs you into bad places. He's aggressive. He ricochets everything and finds it a bit like Suarez used to do a little bit in some ways. But he's a handful who I think will end up getting goals at this club.
Do you love watching him in this Liverpool side? They call him the agent of chaos, Robbie, or does he just frustrate you like mad?
A bit of both, in all fairness, because obviously being a striker, I want them to score goals. I want, a team that I want to win games. I want, the striker to be there. To be that man who scores everything. But you look at him and the amount of chances he had. I think he had 11 or 12 shots today. He hit the woodwork 4 times.
Robbie, you're a striker. You're one of the best strikers. He called you God here. Yeah? What is it? He misses this penalty, obviously. But what does he need to do to start getting goals? Is it composure, slow himself down, or what?
Yeah, he looks though he rushes at everything. In all fairness, I think you look at him. Probably the first 15 minutes, a lot of shots were outside the box. So he is trying to feel his way into the games, but he just needs to calm himself down in front of goals a little bit.
Is that something that can come with age, do you think, with him?
Yeah, I think there's got to be a point where you can't be raw all the time. I think that is, Captain Chaos. He is an handful. We all know that. But there becomes a point when you can't be classed as a raw centre forward. He's been here for 18 months now, and he will score goals. I totally agree with Rio. He will score goals. He will be an handful. But there's got to be a point where you've got to be a little bit more clinical. Harsh, but I'm a striker.